Hi everyone, it's Soniya here from Growing Craft, and today I'll be making a card with this torn old packing wrap which I got with one of my parcels, and I really love the inner texture of this, and I thought of making something out of this. So let's get started.
So I have decided to make a pocket pull-out tag with this, and I'm going to cut my pouch from one of the sides. Now I'm going to stick the remaining two sides of my pocket with tacky tape, and I'll leave one side for my pull-out tag. It's time to work on it. So first I'm going to apply a coat of gesso on it, as this is the inner portion of the pocket which I am using on my top part. So this has a white thread sheet on it. It has its own texture, and I'm going to add some gesso so that I can use my spray paints on it. Now for the texture, I'm going to crumble my tissue paper sheet with water, and I'm going to keep it aside. By now my gesso has dried out completely, and now I'm going to use my orange shimmer on it. With the help of adhesive, I am going to stick my crumbled tissue paper sheet on it to give it a nice texture. I work a lot on mixed media projects, and I have a bunch of used wet wipe sheets, and today I thought of making my flowers from these only, inspired from Martha's video tutorial. So now I'm going to just cut them in random circle shapes, and then I'm going to make flower with it using my glue drops and adding some pearls to it. I love using glue drops for these tags projects because it's super easy to manage the sticking work, and they actually last long and are really mess free. Attaching each layer of this flower is really fun, and I am just mixing out the colors of my old tissue paper cutouts, like I'm using blue, red, and sticking them randomly because I want a multicolor tag. Off camera, I just added some more shades or shimmer sprays to my flowers to give it a nice some pop out colors. It's time to assemble my project, and now on this I am adding some glue drops, and I'm going to stick my jute sheet which is in green color, and I'm going to add my tissue flowers on it. I couldn't resist myself from adding this colorful butterfly, which is again from my stash, one of my previous leftover pieces, and I'm adding this sentiment to it. I decided to use this border stamp from Crafty Scrappers, and I have already cut out this yellow orange cardstock, and I'm going to do the stamping on my card as well as my pull-out tag. So I'm just doing the random stamping on the borders to cover up the empty spaces, and I'm going to use the same stamp as my tag's border. Later on, I decided to add some more stamping, the same stamping on the sides on my tissue papers and the borders of the tag, and my project is ready. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.